Hi, good morning children. Children, last class we have discussed the exercise 1.2 statement problems, isn't it? I think you have done, we have completed up to 6 and in between we have done 8th one also. Okay, 6th and 8th are over. Now we are discussing today the 7th question. Okay, I have written the 7th question on the board. See, this is the 7th question. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. With a merchant, there was 78,592 rupees total amount she had. Okay, then she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. She needs 40 radio sets of 1,200 each. Cost the radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. Each means for one. The cost of one radio set is 1,200. Okay. So that type of how many radio sets she needs? She needs 40 radio sets. Okay. And she has 78,592 rupees with her. And she needs 40 radio sets of 1,200 rupees each. Okay. Now, after purchasing, how much money will remain with her after the purchasing? After purchasing these 40 radio sets, how much amount will be remaining with her? That is the question. Okay. That is, the merchant had or she had 78,592 rupees. 78,592 rupees total she had. Okay. She is going to buy 40 radio sets. One radio set, what is the cost? 1,200. Then what will be the cost of 40 radio sets? That means 1,200 rupees she has to give 40 times. For one radio set she has to give 1,200. Again for second one, again she has to give 1,200. Third one also she has to give 1,200. Like that she has to give 40 times she has to give 1,200 rupees. Then only she will get 40 radio sets. Now how will you find the cost of 40 radio sets? That means cost of one radio set into number of radio sets she needs into 40. Okay, that is 1,200 into 40. We will get the cost of 40 radio sets. Now we compare which is more, whether she has that much amount. Okay, then if the amount she has is more than that, if you minus, we get the remaining money with her. Right? Let's do. So, we have to write the cost of 40 radio sets. Cost of 40 radio sets. That is cost of one radio set into number of sets she needs. So, cost of one radio set into number of sets she needs. That is, cost of one radio set is 1,200 rupees into how many radio sets she needs? 40. So, that is 1,200 into 40. That is equal to, we have to find the cost of this. That's, we have to multiply 1,200 into 40. Then we get the cost of 40 radio sets. Right? Now, how will you multiply this? Since there are zeros, here there are 2 zeros, here is also there is 1 zero. So how will you multiply? We have to multiply these numbers only, 12 and 4. 12 and 4 you multiply, then put the zeros, 1, 2, 3. Total number of zeros in the number, in both the numbers. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros. That zeros you can add with the number. 12 into 4 we multiply. 12 4s are 12 into 4. 12 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 1 4 is 4, 48. That's equal to, we get 48 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros you put with this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That is 48,000 rupees. So what is the cost of 40 radio sets? 48,000. How much money she had? 78,000. So she has more money, right? So she can buy, isn't it? Now the question is, how much money will remain with her after the purchase? So money left with her. Left with her, isn't it? Or money remains with her after the purchase. That is equal to total amount minus cost of 40 radio sets. What is the total amount she has? 78,592 minus what is the cost of 40 radio sets? 48,000. So we'll minus that 78,000. We'll minus 78,592 minus 48,000. 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 0, 5. Then 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. So how much money is left with her? That is 30,592. After purchasing 40 radio sets, she has 30,592 rupees left with her. Did you understand? Yes. Next, let's move to the next question. That is, I'll write the question here. Next question is the ninth question. To stitch a shirt (2 meter 15 centimeter) cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? And how much cloth will remain? Now see children, to stitch a shirt, for stitching a shirt, how much cloth is needed? 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth only needed, but cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter, now how much cloth we have? That is 40 meter. 40 meter cloth we have. Okay. From that, for stitching one shirt, only 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Then if it is so, how many shirts can be stitched using this 40 meter cloth completely? completely how many shirts can be stitched. Then after stitching, how much cloth will be left? Will be remaining. That is the question. Okay. So total cloth we have, that is 40 meter. Isn't it? So since it is in meter, everything, so here, this is in 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Everything we can convert into centimeter. All the units meter we have to convert into centimeter. Right? That is cloth required to stitch one shirt is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed for stitching one shirt, right? So we have to convert this into centimeter. 2 meter, how many centimeter? 2 meter is equal to 1 meter, how many centimeter? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then how many centimeters will be there in 2 meter? 200 centimeters. So it is 200 centimeter. 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Now see 2 meter 15 centimeter, how many centimeter? 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is 215 centimeter cloth is needed to stitch one shirt. Okay. Now how many? So total cloth. Total cloth how much? 40 meter. That also we can convert into centimeter. In 40 meter, how many centimeters will be there? In 1 meter, 100 centimeter. In 40 centimeter, how many? 4,000 centimeter cloth is there. Okay. So out of 4,000 centimeter, how many 215 centimeters can be taken? 200 for one shirt we need 250. Again one shirt we have to take 250. So 215 we have to minus from this. Then we will get the number of shirts we can stitch. So continuous subtraction is, repeated subtraction is division. Isn't it? If we divide the total cloth by the cloth required for one shirt, we will get a number of shirts can be stitched. Isn't it? So number of shirts can be stitched is equal to total cloth divided by cloth required for one shirt. That is equal to total cloth is 4,000 centimeter divided by, for one shirt how much? 215. 4,000 divided by 215. Now see, let's divide this. Let's divide 4,000